I got this XR off of Facebook Marketplace. I got this XR off of Facebook Marketplace. What is going on here? I got this XR off of Facebook Marketplace. I got this XR off of Facebook Marketplace. The motor for that one is right here. I've already taken it out. I've got the cylinder for it. I got the flywheel cover side for it, and that's about it. I don't have a head. I've already pulled the piston off of it. The piston doesn't look the best. I'm kind of deciding on what I want to do with this thing. This one, however, I just picked up recently. It was supposed to be running when I went to go pick it up, and then every time the guy kicked it, it sounded like metal on metal contact. Long story short, I pulled the head off of it and noticed that the intake valve was bent. Don't know if that happened from the timing chain getting stretched or it being, you know, out of time slightly. So I'll actually show you what that head looked like. Check this video out. Yep, she bent. So as you can tell, the valve wasn't looking too good. So all I've done since then was replace the valve. I lapped the valve, and I think that's really about it. And I definitely changed the oil. That oil was not too good at all. It was definitely sparkly. The carburetor doesn't leak. It's got fresh oil in it, and it has not been started since last night. And this is why we get Honda, baby. So, doesn't sound too noisy. It runs pretty good. So nothing really has been replaced other than the valve. So right now I am just sending it. If the top end blows up again or the timing chain stretches and it goes again, I'm going to do basically a full rebuild on it. Probably do a big bore kit. It really depends. But that's also my question with this thing. Now, since I got this one running, I'm interested in doing a big bore kit on this one. I have some stuff coming from eBay that I intentionally, unintentionally, indirectly, directly kind of made an offer on, and they kind of went through. So I have some XR100 parts coming in the mail. So we're gonna see how that goes. But this one is the 1991, and that one is a 2003. I just want to do everything on this one. I want to do a new timing chain. I want to do the cylinder that comes in the big bore kit, but I still need an OEM head. So other than that, I think I'm pretty motivated to get this one done, do the big bore kit on it. That's kind of why this one's hanging up for a little bit. I did steal the metal cage air filter, and I put it in this one, and I got a brand new air filter for it. Everything is already on it. So this one I'm going to take a little bit more time. I did notice when I was cleaning this gas tank out that there is a leak from the petcock here. I don't know if it's from the gasket or what, but we got to figure that out. But I'm going to care about that once we get this motor running. We got this one going. So we're basically going to ride this one until it goes. I am going to do this at the end. Once I'm done riding for today, I want to strip all the paint off of this and the other plastic. I want to go back to the red. Maybe see if I can get some cheap plastics. I'd like to get some OEM ones, but you know how that goes. Money, 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 money. I still got to throw the skid plate on there. I don't know if this one was the better one. I have this one and... Uh-oh. Where's the other skid plate? Oh. I may throw the skid plate on there, but right now... it does look bad, and the rear was kind of messed up. I just remembered. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys saw my other video with the XR100s I had a couple months ago. One of them came with this, so I may just throw this on there. Almost done with the front plastics. This screw was stuck, so I didn't want to try to break or do anything. It gets pulled out of this side, and then it's got like a little plastic clip in the front. So I just decided to leave it there, throw a little paper towel down as I scrape it off. But most of it is already scraping off. It just has some here and there. But look at that. Look at the red on that. Wait till I'm done with it. It's gonna look way better. All right, it's the next day. Look at that. Came out pretty good. Wherever the scratches is and little dents and whatnot, some of the paint's still in there. I can get that out later, but the majority is off. Front fender's looking pretty good. Wanted to get a little bit more off on the front, but I can always do that later while it's on. I do appreciate y'all watching my videos. Stay tuned because I want to take this thing out for its full official ride. I don't know where I'm going to take it yet, what kind of field, what kind of trails I'm going to take it to, but I'm going to keep this one on the back of my mind as far as parts and everything else. I want to do the big bore kit, so definitely leave a comment, like, if this is what you guys want to see. Like I said, I'm really motivated to build both of these and get these things going. I'm glad this one is running, but yeah, we're going to send it. I appreciate y'all watching. It's Rowdy DB, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.